In this video, I'm going to show you how we can export our games to Windows. It is very simple. So the first thing we're going to do is go over to Editor, Manage Export Templates. And what you're going to do is hit download from GitHub and then hit download and install. I've already done this, so you can see I've already got my path here. So hit download and install. And then once that's done, okay, so what we're going to do is head over to project, head over to export, and then click and add Windows Desktop if it's not already here. Make sure embed PCK is on. And then for the export part over here, you can click here and you can basically select where you want your game to be exported to. So I've already exported it once, so it's going to be here again. So I can just call this simple game 2, hit save, and then hit export. So yeah, hit save. So now that that's done, we can now see that my game has exported here. So I can click on it and I can play my game.